I've been using the Mini Play in standalone mode for about 3 weeks now, and because I was starting to feel the limitations, I decided the time had come to hook it up to my PC and explore Akai's digital audio workstation offering. I had hoped to quickly install the included software and share my early attempts at using Akai's MPC Beats, but the installation process turned into a bit of a mission, so I thought I would share it separately here. When you buy the Mini Play, you also get the MPC Beats DAW, 3 instrument plugins, which are the Hybrid 3 analog synth, as well as Mini Grand and Velvet, which are piano variants. You also get to install some free MPC Soundpack expansions. So far so good, but what is not mentioned on the box is the fact you also need to register with both InMusic and iLok to access anything. It started well, with the create a new account link not working on the Akai website, but I used the login link on the InMusic webpage and input all the required information to create a new account. I declined the offer to receive even more junk mail with offers for things I probably don't want. Next step was to follow the link on the confirmation email, and then I got to register my Mini Play. This requires the input of the serial number, which is on the base of the Mini Play, the date of purchase and the retailer's name. Once registered, you can start to download the software, starting with the InMusic Software Center, which you then have to log into again. Once the InMusic Center fires up, you connect the Mini Play and then download MPC Beats and the instrument plugins, and I also downloaded some MPC sound packs. You can then install them and restart the computer. However, when I tried to open Hybrid, Mini Grand and Velvet, I had to unlock them first. This requires that you copy the iLok code, which will get you absolutely nowhere until you set up yet another account with iLok License Manager. Obviously, this requires another software install, the handing over of even more personal data, and more I'm not a robot tests than you can shake a stick at. In fairness, all the codes worked and the plugins seemed to work, but what a faff. It's all good.